Side chain oxidation, as we already studied earlier, benzene and alkane are quite stable toward oxidizing agent. However, the presence of a benzene ring make the side chain susceptible to oxidation. Thus, alkyl benzene can be easily oxidized to benzoic acid with hot alkaline potassium permanganate solution or potassium dichromate solution in concentrated sulfuric acid, or even with dilute nitric acid. During this oxidation, the benzene ring remain intact, but the side chain is oxidized to the carboxylic group, which is irrespective of the length of the carbon chain. So let us consider few examples. In first case, benzene that is subjected to oxidation with alkaline potassium permanganate, and reaction will take place in temperature range 373 to 383 Kelvin, and oxidation will take place on this carbon and it will change into carboxylic group, and finally benzoic acid will get formed. Then the case number 2. In this case, ethyl benzene, it is subjected to oxidation with potassium dichromate in acidic medium, and in this case the oxidation that will take place on this carbon, and finally it will change into carboxylic group. So ethyl benzene, it is also changed into benzoic acids. And the case number 3, in which case isopropyl benzene is subjected to oxidation in the presence of alkaline potassium permanganate in temperature range 373 to 383 Kelvin. Again, oxidation will take place at this carbon and it will change into carboxylic group. Again, benzoic acid will get formed. So all in these 3 cases, the oxidation will take place on the carbon which is directly linked with the benzene ring. Similarly, there are more cases in which 2 or more alkyl groups are attached with benzene ring get oxidized to carboxylic group. So let us consider the case of the orthoxylene. It is subjected to oxidation with potassium permanganate in alkaline medium. Again, reaction will take place in temperature in 373 to 383 Kelvin. In both the cases, oxidation will take place on these carbon and they will change into carboxylic group. So in this case, orthoxylene will get converted into phthalic acids. So next case is the metaxylene, subjected to oxidation. Again, the oxidation will take place on these 2 carbon and they will change into carboxylic group. And in this case, metaxylene, it will change into isophthalic acids. Then the third one case, paraxylene, it is subjected to oxidations with potassium permanganate in alkaline medium, and oxidation will take place on these 2 carbon and they will change into carboxylic group, and in this case paraxylene change into terephthalate acids. In all these cases, the oxidation will take place on the carbon which is directly intact with the benzene ring. But here one main thing which we have to remember, that the oxidation will take place only in that case the carbon which will having the benzylic hydrogen. So let us consider another case. Now this tertiary butyl benzene, it is subjected to oxidation, but there is no benzylic hydrogen in this case, so it will not undergo oxidation easily and no reaction will take place in this case. So main requirement for oxidation in these side chain reaction is that the presence of the benzylic hydrogens. So it is all about the side chain reaction or side chain oxidation in case of alkyl benzenes.